Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Temu Tuesday. And I wanted to let you all know that Temu now, it's back to, the last few orders I've gotten from them, I've gotten these bags again. For a while I didn't get those bags at all. And the outside bag is not that bright orange anymore, it's just white. And then there might be some Temu tape on it. But you really can't tell it's from Temu so much because people were, stealing things off of porches. So I got just sort of a mishmash of things like I usually do. This is an identity theft protection, $2.48. This one's in a panda. I have this in a cat, and I just need another one. This has, you push this button up, and this will give you a blade. It's really just plastic. It's hard to do, so I'm not gonna, I don't know if see, it's hard to do, but it can help you open boxes. I don't bother with it. It has this roller on it. It's inked, and it lasts a good long while. And you roll it over your address, or if you don't want someone to see a price that you paid for something, that's what that is for. So I really like that, and I've had it before and liked it. I wanted to find a soft kind of baby brush for Camille. I have a couple of, I have one, and sometimes she takes it away, so I can't. It takes me a while to find it again. So I thought I'd get another one. This was $1.48, and it came in different colors. It's just a baby brush. It's got a little, like it looks like a bear here. It's just soft, so I can brush her when she's on my lap, because I think that she would enjoy that. So I got that. And then also I got this little brush because at my kitchen sink, sometimes I like to scrub my nails, if I have, depending on what you're doing. So I like to have a nail brush at the kitchen sink. This one's you can't really tell, but it's in a very light blue. It comes in pink and blue and green and clear, so did I tell you that was 99 cents, okay? And then, since we're talking about kitchen stuff, I got this, y'all, and I thought, no, that's not gonna fit. This is a microfiber cleaning pad. And it was 36 cents. So I thought for 36 cents, I'm gonna try this. So what this is, it's a piece, sorry about my chair against the floor. It has a little bit of a chemical smell to it. This is a Swiffer, just a good the old-fashioned original Swiffer I have. So when you buy the papers that you put on here, you throw them out. And eventually, you just have to keep buying them. So this is supposed to fit on here. Here comes the train. And it would save you from having to buy the paper ones and throwing them out, because you could throw these in the wash. And oh my goodness, it's fitting. I didn't think it could possibly fit, but it fits, y'all. So 36 cents. Now, I don't know what it's gonna cost now. Their prices change, and they change rapidly. And I might even see if they have a set and get a couple of them, because then when I use it, I can throw it in the wash, and then I can have a fresh one for the next day. Camille, come on now. So especially if it's going to be 36 cents, I'm going to try to get a couple more. All right, Camille, you'll have to move. Nothing like bottoms. That's all we see are bottoms. Move on, love. Okay, and then I just got this because I thought it was pretty. Some things, they roll through your feed. So I saw it, and I'm like, I'm gonna get that. Let me see how much it was. $1.49. It's an Egyptian cat. They had it in white and they had it in black, and I just thought it was just beautiful. And I love Egyptian cats, so I got it. It was $1.49. I think I just said that, but it just says it's a mini Egyptian. And then the rest of it didn't print. So, but isn't it pretty? Got a turquoise and coral necklace in gold. Just very pretty, sitting on a gold stand. Of course, it's just, resin or something. It's a little on the heavy side, but I thought it was pretty. So I got it. And I got a couple of eyeliners just because I wanted to try them. So these were, let's see, I've got two, and sometimes they're different prices. No, they're $1.34 each. They are the same brand. It is Dragon Renee Cosmetics. And I got purple and I got coffee. And they're $1.34 a piece. Let's see if I can get this box open. we'll see what they're all about. Okay, it's a gel eyeliner, eye pencil. It says gel eye pencil, and let's see. Here's the purple. It looks like it's going to be. I'm going to sharpen it, but I don't think this is wood. I think it's plastic. This doesn't turn. So let's see. Purple, that's pretty. And then this one was called coffee. Oh, I like those. They're nice and smooth. They didn't, you know, they just went on nice and smooth. They didn't, you know how sometimes crayony kind of things can tug? It didn't tug at all. So I thought I would try them out. I'll let you know in the future how I'm liking them. And then I have a few, oh, y'all, this is what I do. I got these, I'm surprised that I've only gotten these twice, but I got these socks again. These are really cute. There's 5 or 6 pair, and they're just super, super cute. They're like $7 and something. Let's see what they cost. $7.49, and there's 6 pairs. They're nice for winter. They're a heavier sock, and they're super cute. I got them not too long ago. They have cats on them. So there are 6 pair or 5? 5 pair. Black and blue and green and gray and purple. So what I'm going to do with these is, as I do a giveaway, I'm just going to stick them into the next 5 giveaways. Because I don't need them. I could return them, but it wasn't worth returning to me. $7.49, you know, big deal. They're cute, and y'all. Then that way, whoever wins can see if they like the sock. So next I did get this because you told y'all I've been looking for some new camisoles. I have a couple that I got from Walmart that were very cheap. But I wanted, those are like form-fitting. I wanted a loose one, and then I got one last time, and ended up being really long. It's cute, but it's long. I want one that's gonna fit under a blouse like what I have on now. So this one, it's when I have this on, it's not gonna be longer than my blouse. I don't think. It's adjustable. The straps are adjustable, and this one, it has this. I don't know if you can see. It's hard to see. It's just mesh. It's just mesh, so that'll be right here. I will let you know if it fits or not. And it looks plenty big around. I got this in a 2X. See, that's what I mean about. I have to get 3X on their clothes because those are 18s. So this, though, the measurements that it showed, I got a 2X on this. So I'll let you know if that fits at the end of the video. And then I got these. I got a couple of bras because I see several channels getting them, and they look decent. So, and they're really inexpensive. I got 2 different ones, and they're $3.59 each. They are sports bras, and they are different. This one is in bean color. See, now these are in 2Xs because of the sizing that they gave. I didn't realize that they are padded. Oh, you can take, well, they're padded. There's a hole here. Yeah, I could probably bend that and I could take that out if I wanted to. Okay, I just didn't know they were padded. But this looks really nice for $3.59, y'all. It is a nice stretchy material. It's elastic all around the armholes. And then there's the front, and there's the back. So this is, let me show you. This is real meshy, like you can see through that a little bit, see? So you can breathe in that. So a good workout kind of a bra. That's cute. So I'll let you know if that fits. And then this other one, it's different looking. Yeah, this one has lace on it, but it still says the same thing. It says plus size sports bra. Again, $3.50 for this. and also a 2X. So this one is in the color Rose Brown, it said. So it just is like a dark beige. And again, it has the padding, which I didn't know. See, I have to say, I'm not good at reading descriptions, and I'm more visual, and also the descriptions aren't always the best. I'm sorry about all the noise. What is that rattling from the train? Something must be, I must have dishes piled somewhere or something on the countertop. But this one does not have a place to take out the padding. So I don't know. Of course, now this kind of thing, I would maybe wash this in the washing machine and then hang it up to dry, because that pad can get funky in there. So I'd have to be careful with it. But this one's pretty. It's got the lace. Again, it's got elastic all the way around the armholes. So it's nicely made. The lace is super, super soft. And then the back has lace, and it has this band around the whole thing, the front and the back. So I'll let you know how those are. And then last but not least, I got these cute little things. Let me find the price on them. $2.79, y'all. I love these kinds of things. These are little like slippers cushion. They're not quite formed like some slippers might be, but they have the rubber on the back so you're not going to fall, and they have the furry stuff on the inside. Oh, it's so warm. And they're just cute, you know, like a Christmas design or a winter design. And these came in many, many colors. I got the gray just because of fur, you know, so look at how cute that is. And that'll keep my feet warm, running around the house. That's cute. Those are cute. So $2.79. And that is all, I believe, from my Temu haul. I'm gonna show you what I have on my eyes and on my lips. I have this Smashbox Lippy. That's the color. I don't know where I got this from. I'm sure it was from Ipsy or Boxycharm. This is in promoted. I really don't remember. I don't remember buying it, so I'm thinking it came in something for all over. And that's what I'm wearing on my lips. And see how that is there. I wish I could remember where I got it, but I don't remember. And then I am wearing on my eyes. Actually, when I put this on, I was thinking I had more teal going on, but it isn't. It's more turquoise. So this is, the palette is the Tartiest Pro Remix by Tarte. And I got this gorgeous palette from Andy Does Stuff. Andy was decluttering it, and she gave it to me. So the back is all gold, and it is Tarte. I don't know if this is true of every Tarte palette, but every Tarte palette I've ever had, which has only been 2 or 3. I think I've had 2. I think I only have 2. It smells like chocolate. So as soon as you open this, you want chocolate. So it has a mirror on one side, and then these are all the colors. See, I think Andy got rid of this is because there's a lot of shimmers in there, and I'm a shimmer person. So there's these 4 shimmers here, and then there is 1, 2. These 2 are mattes, and the black is matte. I think they're all the rest are shimmers. So there's a lot of looks in there, a lot of different beautiful colors. My voice is, you know, it's the weather. So it's beautiful. I love it. And thank you so much, Andy, for giving me that. And then look how that does. It has, I don't know, is it showing for you? It changes. It's cool. It's cool. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing my Temu. And I hope that you have a great Tuesday. And count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye. Forgetful me. I told you I'd tell you how these fit. So I do have this on, and it fits really nice. It's a little loose, but I can adjust. There were adjusters on the back of this, so I will do that. But I just wanted to show you how it looks. I have on the lacy bra, and it fits me just fine. I don't like the padding in there. The way that it's settled, I'm small chested. When I put it on this side, I must be something about the way I moved, because the same with the other bra. This side moved and it got bunched up, so I had to try to fix it. There's no getting your hands into the pockets. There's no way to get in there. So what I would probably do with this bra, it's very, very comfortable. I don't feel like I have a bra on. This would be a great bra for somebody that has to sleep with a bra on. Some people do. It's very, very comfortable. Like I said, I don't feel that lace at all. And it's super fine around my waist. I don't like elastic stuff, and it's not bothering me. Now, I've only had it on a short time, but I don't like the padding. The padding is hard, and it has like pits right here. It has these pits in it. So I would probably take those out. And then see now on my side, on the side of my breasts, it's just right. It's weird. It's just weird. So on this one, they both fit very nice. So like I said, when I was looking at them, they're size charts. So make sure it asks you your measurements so that you pick the right one. This bra is the one that has an opening here. And I don't know if they intend for you to do anything with that, but I was able to put my fingers in here because it's very stretchy and adjust that pad. And the pad is a different pad. It's more flat. It doesn't have these pithy, it's weird. It just feels weird. I don't wear padded bras, so maybe if you're a person that wears a padded bra, maybe this wouldn't bother you. But it bothers me. It's not hurting me at all. I just don't like the way it feels when I touch it. But this one felt differently, and I was able to put my hand in there and adjust it. Fix it up. So just want to tell you that about the bras. So what did I say? They were $3.49 or were they $2.49? $3.49 each. Camille's sitting right on my paperwork. So they're definitely worth a try. $3.59. They're definitely worth a try if you want to try them. Very, very comfortable. I mean, really, it's nice. I'm more used to bras, that hook. So those are a little more structured, and but this is very nice if you're just, for me, for the kind of thing, for working out, for being around the house. I could definitely wear them out, but I don't like this. And with my blouse the way it is, it's not tight, so nobody would ever notice that but me. So just saying. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.